This morning, I attended the Weaver of Knowledge event at Te Pataka Korero o Takanini Community Hub. It was cool to know what resources are available for our tamariki. Mga estudyante balahaw, muna tawag nila diri. We've learned about the different sites available to access for wide range of resources for our diverse learners. Siyempre, kaduro na gid na line lahi diri kapin pa sa Auckland, but NZ acknowledges the identity and culture of everyone, and that is really awesome. So, visit lang ning mga websites nga gina-share ko And if you are teaching here in New Zealand, it's really helpful to know what resources are available online or in our libraries to address the needs of your students. And to those who are still new in New Zealand, visit our amazing libraries. There is at least one in every town, suburb, or city. You can borrow books with a library card that you can get for free. Just bring with you a proof of identity. You may also access online stuff and attend workshops they offer from time to time, or simply volunteer if you have some free time so you can meet other people and have a korero or a talk with them. Make the most of this awesome resource we have in our community and learn and grow with others. Tara, kita-kits tayo dun minsan ha. Kakite!